Hello friends, welcome back to my channel PU Zone. Myself Priya. Today I am going to discuss about types of evidences. According to section 3 of Indian Evidence Act 1872, evidence means and includes oral and documentary evidence. Here, oral evidence refers to all the statements which the court permits to be made before it by the witnesses, and such evidence should be related to the matter of fact under inquiry. Whereas documentary evidence or written evidence refers to all the electronic records presented before the court. This definition is considered to be a narrow definition as it doesn't include material things like a weapon, identification proceedings, local inquiry results, statements made in the court, etc. I am going to divide the types of evidence into four parts, that is the four videos. Now let us discuss kinds of evidence. First one, direct evidence. Second, circumstantial evidence, analogical evidence, character evidence, demonstrative evidence, digital or electronic evidence, documentary evidence, forensic evidence, hearsay evidence, physical evidence. 11th, prima facie evidence, statistical evidence, testimonial evidence, judicial evidence, non-judicial evidence, primary evidence, secondary evidence, real evidence, oral evidence, and substantive and corroborative evidence. Let me explain one by one in detail. First one, direct evidence. Direct evidence directly proves or disproves the fact. In such evidence, a specific fact is established directly without providing a reason to connect to the fact. One hardly needs to point out the example provided as the evidence of the witness in court is direct evidence. Such evidence is real, tangible, or clear evidence of a fact that requires no thinking or consideration to prove its existence. Now let us move on to second type, that is circumstantial evidence. Circumstantial or indirect evidence refers to evidence which proves the fact in issue by providing other facts, that is indirect facts, and then proving their relevance. A satisfactory conclusion can be drawn from such evidence by relating a series of other facts to the fact in issue. Let us discuss a case regarding this, that is Hanumant versus the state of Madhya Pradesh. In this case, the first appellant held the post of excise commissioner, whereas the second appellant held the post of a chemical engineer. Both of them were convicted and sentenced for the offense of criminal conspiracy, abatement, and forgery. There was no direct evidence to support them, therefore, circumstantial evidence was used. The Supreme Court acquitted the applicants as the evidence produced was insufficient to prove the guilt of the accused beyond all reasonable doubt. Now coming to the third type of evidence, that is analogical evidence. Analogical evidence is underutilized evidence and usually comes into play at the end. It saves the day when one doesn't have statistics to refer to or any other matter to quote. The fourth one, that is character evidence. The character of a person is a general quality which is the summary of his or her past actions, whether good or bad. The same is considered to be vague and subjective. A person with good character may be considered as trustworthy and decent person. Now let us discuss about the fifth evidence, that is demonstrative evidence. Demonstrative evidence refers to evidence that is shown to the judge in litigation. Generally, it includes charts, diagrams, demonstrations, and illustrations of the testimony of a witness. Such evidence should not be harmful but should assist in proving something. It is admissible only when it is fairly and accurately reflects the witness's testimony. Such evidence can be used by opposing counsel. Examples of demonstrating evidence are charts, timelines, scale models, photo enlargements, maps, diagrams of crime scene, animation, film or video, sample product display, etc. Now I will stop this video here only. We will discuss remaining evidences in coming videos. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and please click on bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.